Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to use text field and how to um, get the data from the text field and display it in the UI. So here I am going to use body and a column. Now type children and here I am going to create a text field first. Text field. So now I get a text field here. So let us add some padding over here. Before that, add center and add some wrap with widget padding. We click here, required arguments here, edge inserts dot all. If we give all, we will get padding over all the sides. See here, and bottom and the side too. So now we have to. Now I am going to create a button here. Let's add a size box for a space. Size box. 810. Here comma and elevator button over here. In this, instead of child, let's text show, and then here let's show a text where here we have to declare a text editing controller named sample equal to text editing controller. So we have created an text editing controller here. We have to pass it the controller. Controller sample, and we can also add some hint text decoration, hint decoration, hint text, and you can add a type something. Let's save this. What's the problem? In the text we have to mention some argument. I'm going to use this and display over here sample dot text over here. Type int is not a sample dot value dot let's add some variable here where sample equal to sample string. Here we can add sample string here over here. Now when we click on the elevated button, let's add set state and sample string equal to sample dot text or value. Here's an error. Here we can add two string. We have to initialize substring. Now let's text editing controller function is not a text document. See here we have displayed the hint text and the elevated button. So let's check by typing here hello Delite products. See here it's showing some kind of value. Sorry, I think here we have to display the text instead of value. So see, now we have displayed it. Here I think we can add some space, so use size the box. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.